Okay, now that we know how to find a factor of a polynomial, we're going to find out how we can factor it completely then using synthetic division. So we'll start with using the remainder theorem. We're going to take some factors of 8, which are negative and positive 1, negative and positive 8, negative and positive 2, negative and positive 4. And I'm just going to choose one of those factors, negative 1, the number, one of the factors of 8, which is negative 1. If I put it in as my factor, it's going to be x minus h, which is x minus a negative 1, which looks like x plus 1, as my factor. I'm going to plug the negative 1 in for each of my x's, do the math. Negative 1 cubed is negative 1, negative 1 squared is positive 1 times negative 5, negative 1 times 2, negative 2, plus 8. Following with the math, negative 6 minus 2 is negative 8, plus 8 equals 0. Yay, x plus 1 is one of the factors of this polynomial, which means x plus 1 times something else will equal this evenly with no remainders, because we checked with our remainder theorem and found a factor that does indeed go into x cubed plus 5x minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 8. So if x plus 1 is a factor of x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 8, now we can use our synthetic division, which we learned a couple chapters ago, to factor the rest of the polynomial. So if you remember, for synthetic division, we'll take the coefficients from the polynomial above. We take 1 for the x cubed, negative 5, positive 2, positive 8. We draw a line, bring that 1 down, and whatever that term is, because we're dividing by x, it's going to be an x squared term, I know that. So negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Negative 5 plus negative 1 is negative 6. 2 plus 6, after we get that 6 there, sorry, negative 1 times negative 6 is positive 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Negative 1 times positive 8 is negative 8. And indeed we hit 0. So our next factor is 1x squared minus 6x plus 8. Then I need to factor that portion, which factors into x minus 2 times x minus 4. And as a result, we have all of our factors now. The x plus 1 that we got earlier from our checking out our remainder theorem, times x minus 2 times x minus 4, and those three factors times each other will equal x cubed minus 5x squared plus 2x plus 8.